If your car overheated and now refuses to start, it's likely due to engine damage from excessive heat. Overheating occurs when the cooling system can't dissipate heat effectively, often due to low coolant, a faulty thermostat, or a blocked radiator. In ICE vehicles, this extreme heat can warp engine components like cylinder heads or pistons, leading to compression loss and preventing the engine from turning over. Common issues after overheating include a seized engine, where metal expansion binds components, a damaged ignition system with melted wires or sensors causing no spark, or electrical failures like melted fuses or a drained battery. In EVs, overheating primarily affects the battery, causing a thermal shutdown to protect the battery pack. Understanding these causes helps prevent and address overheating issues effectively. We'll now cover troubleshooting steps and basic fixes for an overheated car that won't start. First, let the engine cool completely for 1 to 2 hours to avoid burns and allow safe inspection. Next, check the coolant level and quality for leaks or contamination. Look at the reservoir and inspect for any issues. Inspect the thermostat for proper function and check the radiator for blockages or damage. Examine belts and hoses for cracks or damage, especially the serpentine belt driving the water pump. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, such as P0128 for thermostat issues. For immediate fixes, carefully add coolant if the level is low. Do this only when the engine is cool. For basic repairs, replace faulty parts like the thermostat for about $100 to $200, or flush the cooling system. If the engine is seized or there's suspected head gasket damage, tow the vehicle to a mechanic for repairs, costing $1,000 to $2,000 or more. These steps can help resolve many overheating issues safely and effectively.